Ninja Plumber, help!
Ninja Plumber is not only here to fix your plumbing problem. We prioritize your 100% customer satisfaction just as highly. Yes, we're here to fix the issue. However, it is rare to find a plumber or plumbing company that is determined to build a relationship with you so you know that you have a pleasant plumber you can trust. And we will show up at your doorstep at the time that is promised. First, we'll diagnose the problem before we do anything. Then we'll explain to you the true issue, what it will take to fix it, how long it will take to fix, and what you can do to prevent this problem from happening again. The most important thing to understand about plumbing is that since most things are either underground or in the wall, it's extremely difficult to predict the issue. Here's a tip. The closer the problem is to surfacing, the longer it's been brewing. Therefore, we'll give you any and all advice on what you can do in order to maintain the integrity of your plumbing. For example, throwing things like eggshells and potato peels down your garbage disposal is extremely hazardous. Although that may not sound so bad, each time you do it, you're not only lessening the lifespan of your garbage disposal, but you're potentially creating a clog in your sewer line, which can cost you anywhere up to $10,000. So there are many tips and tricks that we're willing to share with you in order to build a strong foundation for our client relationships, and most of all to assure that you won't have to call us for the same problem twice. And we'll guarantee that we'll find you the least expensive yet most permanent fix so you don't have to break the piggy bank. Most of all, we'll keep it simple, quick, precise, and clean. We are Ninja Plumber. In and out before you realize we were there.